Today I want to show you how we can create a narrow top fold holder for the necklace using a double-sided paper, 250 grams of 12 by 12. I like the double-sided papers, they are really lovely. And let's make one card today using this one, for instance. So the 12 by 12 inches is actually 30 by 30 in centimeters. The narrow top fold goes with 10 and a half, and here we have a leftover. The leftover will be used for the jewelry holder. And now let's trim it. So the first cut at 10.5 centimeters. And here we have the first card base, and again 10.5. The second, and this leftover is for the holders. We just fold into the cards, and here you have one, and the second. Let's do it the other way around. And here we have the second base. And now we just create the holders. For the holders we measure 10, and because we have two cards we can get two holders. And here we have one, and the second. And now for the holders. On the opposite side, because I have this card, I'd like the holder to show like this, not like this. Okay, so this is the right side. To score it, I just turn it on the other side. Yep. And I need to score along this side, so it has to be parallel with the side of the board. And for that I will score at 1/4 of an inch, and then at half. And here we have our holder. We just need to create the triangles that will hold the necklace. And for this, from the second scoring line, we have 1 centimeter, 2, 3, and 4, and on the other side 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the second line we go 2 centimeters in, 2 centimeters in, 3 we skip 3, we go on the fourth, again a line 2 centimeters in from the side and 2 from the side. And now we create the triangles using this point and the 1 centimeter, this point and the third. Just trace those lines, and now we cut. Okay, and this is the holder. Let's around the corners just for the beauty of it. And now along the first scoring area, just make sure that it's symmetrical. And here we are. I don't think it takes too long to have such a really nicely customized jewelry holder. And with your holder ready, let's wrap around it and here you are. I think this makes a really nice impression. Thank you for watching.